For today's video, I want to share with you guys how lightning is made and how it appears in the sky. Let's start. Wait, but before we proceed, let me ask you guys. Did you know what is the difference between lightning and thunder? Yeah, I know some of you guys already know the difference between the two. But to those people who are already forgotten or do not know the difference, let me explain to you. Thunder is an energy sound, while lightning is the electrical energy or the light that we see sparkling in the sky with a heavy rain. In the early stages of development, air acts as an insulator between the positive and negative charges in the cloud and between the cloud and the ground. When the opposite charges build up enough, this insulating capacity of the air breaks down and there is a rapid discharge of electricity that we know as lightning. Thunder is created when lightning passes through the air. The lightning discharge heats the air rapidly and causes it to expand. The temperature of the air in the lightning channel may reach as high as 50,000 degrees Fahrenheit, 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun. What does it mean when thunder is really loud? Why is thunder so loud? It's because the amount of electrical energy that flows from the cloud to the ground is so enormous, it's like a very big waterfall of electricity. The louder the sound that you hear, the closer you are to the lightning. Is it safe if you hear thunder? Always keep in mind that if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Seek shelter immediately in a sturdy building, or if a building is not available, a hard-topped vehicle with the windows rolled up. And did you know? Tree is one of the best conductor of lightning. Don't you try to hide under the tree, because tree will not protect you from lightning. Instead, it will attract the lightning coming from you. How does thunder affect humans? Ruptured eardrums can occur from the thunderous sound waves created by the nearby strike. Also, minor thermal burns and nervous system damage can occur through an indirect strike, where the body is only exposed to a fraction of the energy of the lightning.